It's 9:36, and they don't care if it's 10:36 or what it is, and it's Sunday, man. They're over there even on Sunday now, and I heard them over there on Saturday as usual. So now they're running 7 days a week, man, encroaching upon we the people. As usual, that's what big business does. Run over top of everybody. Disobey the noise ordinance. Don't give a shit about the law of the land, democracy, the Constitution, the Bill of Rights. Don't care about none of it. Just came out here wondering what the noise is, besides that 24-hour-a-day bullshit fan right there you hear too. Thanks again, Publix. Even on Sunday.